Let's look at the difference between the average function and the median function. The average function will take a number of items in the list, add those together to get a total, and divide by the number of items in that list. The median function will take that list of items and it will find the middle number in that list. The reason you might want to use the median instead of the average is that the average is more affected by outliers. For example, really small or really large numbers. The median is not affected by those as much. So let's look at a couple of examples. In this sheet, we have cookie sales and the number of boxes that were sold. Let's say, for example, in this first scenario that Whitney was not in the cookie sales at this time. We'll add her later. So for the first scenario, we're not going to include her. When you are looking at the average, it does not matter which order the numbers are in. It just adds them and divides by the number in the list. For the median, what it will do is sort the number of items in ascending order, and then it will find the middle number in that list. So it's nice that we have 11 numbers in this list, and these are the same numbers here that we have in this list. It's just that they're sorted ascending for the median. So once it sorts it ascending, it will find that middle number, and in this list, because we have 11, an odd number, it's easy to find that middle number. In this case, the middle number is 30. If we go to the median function, under more functions, and if you can't find it down here, you can type median and search for it and find it. I'm going to highlight the range where we want to find the median, and it does indeed find that the median is 30. Notice the average versus the median. The average is more affected by the 100 in this list, which is the largest number. Let's look at a second scenario. Let's say, for example, Whitney was included and involved in the cookie sales. So we'll add 40 boxes for her. In this second list, we have included that number 40. Again, these are all sorted ascending for the median. If we have an even number of items, we can't really find the middle number. So we're going to take the middle two numbers for the median, add those together and divide by 2, basically getting an average of those two, and that will be the median. In this case, let's find the median and make sure it is what we estimated that it would be. And the median is 33. So if you have a very long list of numbers, the median is a very nice way to find the middle number in that list. Notice again, the median is less affected by that larger number. The average is affected a little bit more by that larger kind of outlying number in that list.